History is being made tonight. Welcome to the first ever European presidential debate.
Ma anqalx l-interess li anqlu id-dibattiti presidenzjali fl-Istati Uniti iżda s-suġġetti li tqajmu tul l-ewwel dibattitu bejn il-kandidati għall-Presidenza tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea jolqtu direttament liċ-ċittadini tal-Unjoni Ewropea. Fosthom il-kriżi tal-Ewro, il-qatt, il-politika dwar l-immigrazzjoni u l-politika barranija. Il-kritiċi u dawk li analizzaw il-politika Ewropea kellhom opinjonijiet maqsuma dwar min l-aktar li spikka, għalkemm ħafna semmew lil kandidat tal-ħodor Ska Keller u s-Soċjalist Demokratiku Martin Schulz. Min-naħa l-oħra bħal donnu kien hemm qbil li l-aktar li ddiżappunta kien il-kandidat tal-Popolari Ewropej Jean-Claude Juncker. Wara li fl-aħħar snin appoġġja l-politika ta' awsterità, Juncker seba' diffiċli jgħid jekk l-Unjoni Ewropea kellix tindirizza b'mod differenti il-kriżi ekonomika. L-oħrajn qalu li iva. Għal darb'oħra spikka l-impenn ċar tal-kandidat Schulz għal politika dwar l-immigrazzjoni li tkun tfisser li 28 pajjiż fl-Unjoni Ewropea jipparteċipaw u jerfgħu biċċa mill-pis.
Secondly, all big immigration areas of the world, the United States, Canada, the Latin American countries, Australia, New Zealand, where there is a continuous European immigration, have immigration rules. What we need is a clear protection of political refugees. What we need is a temporary protection for people who are leaving their regions for temporary time. You mentioned the Syrian refugees. We had in the 80s the Lebanese, for example, here, who went after the civil war was finished back to Lebanon. I think a lot of Syrians want to get back, then the civil war is hopefully soon finished. And then we need a legal immigration in Europe and a system of legal immigration to which all the 28 member states contribute.
Tul id-dibattitu Schulz enfasizza li jrid li ċ-ċittadini Ewropej jerġgħu jiksbu l-fiduċja fl-Unjoni Ewropea, dan permezz ta' ġlieda kontra l-faqar u b'ħidma biex it-tfal Ewropej ikollhom futur aħjar.
I want to be the President of the European Commission as a result of a democratic vote of citizens in Europe and not as a result of a debate behind closed doors between heads of states and government. And as a President of the Commission, I want to give back to the Europeans justice and fairness.